Welcome back to my channel 3 Minute English Podcast. Today I want to talk about traffic jam. It is a great problem in our country. It has many reasons. First of all, narrow roads, unfit vehicles, and inexpert driver and unsuitable traffic rules for responsible traffic jam. It has a bad impact. It it wastes time, energy, and hinders our development. We have to solve this problem at any rate. To get rid of this problem, we need to spacious road, expert driver, and strict traffic rules. Moreover, parking here and there should be prohibited.